I do suck at relationships. I'm so bad. I get too attached too easily. I know that. I'm always want to say I love you first. Like, oh, I had a great time last night. When can I see you again? Like, I'm that dude. And I think that's why I can't go to prison. It's not so much the showers I'm afraid of. It's just like, what if I fall in love? You know what I mean? Like, what if I meet the one and I get out before him? Like, now I can't go see my boo? Are you serious? I gotta meet him with a glass every week.